Hey guys, it's your girl Deja Jordan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this beautiful video of this makeup look that I have created for you guys. But before you leave, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms and to hit that little subscribe button down at the bottom. So I wanted to give you guys kind of like a really cute pink cut crease using the Crayon Make Me Blush palette. So hopefully you guys enjoy how I put this look together. First, I want to start off by using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to kind of lock in all of the oil. I want to go ahead and put that all over my face. Then I want to kit it up with my Juvia's Place foundation. I like this foundation. It's a good foundation. I mean, it's not like the best I've ever used, but it gets the job done, so I like it. Then I want to use my Age Rewind concealer by Maybelline. I really like this concealer. The color seems to match me perfectly. I don't need anything that's aging, but because it was a hot product out, I wanted to go ahead and try it, and I do like it. It does help kind of conceal a lot of my circles that I have underneath my eyes and stuff like that. So it's a really nice lightweight concealer that I feel like everybody would enjoy. I'm gonna go in with the Louise base in the color 0. Now what I like to do with this base is I like to just let it kind of sit on my eyes a little bit and really just oxidize and do whatever it's gonna do. Excuse me, child. Don't be. Mama. Then I like to go back in with that loose powder by Maybelline and just kind of go and just make sure that all of my concealer is not moving on my face. And I like a very matte look. I'm not into the whole dewy look right now, I guess I can say that, but yeah, so this is what I do. Now I want to go in with my Black Radiance Cream Contour palette. Well, it's not really like a little palette, but I guess it's like a little, you know, duo kind of thing. But I want to go ahead and hit my, what is that, the bridge of my nose. And I think I put a little bit too much product on my nose, but we'll see how it comes out. Then I want to go ahead and hit those cheekbones. I love exaggerated cheekbones. Like, I don't want to look like magnificent or anything like that, but I like it to be very defined, if I must say so. So let's go ahead and, you know, hit those spots so that I can look amazing. You know, I just want to bring it in. I want to look like strange, you know, bring it in, you know. And then I would like to get a nice little fluffy brush, and that's how I do all my blending. So let's get to it. Now I want to go back in with my loose powder, and I want to go underneath that contouring just for an exaggerated look. I know it looks pretty white right now, but everything looks amazing when you take the time out to blend, you guys. I cannot emphasize how much blending is important in every look that you do. So as long as you're blending it out, everything will eventually come out looking natural. I mean, like, don't blend so much that you then took off all the products on your face. Don't do that by any means, but you know, blend to where it looks nice and very I don't want to say well put together, but so I took the product that was, well, I didn't really have any product left on my beauty blender, so I just went ahead and used whatever loose powder was still on there, if any at all, and just blended my eyelids. I wanted to blend the Louise base in with the rest of my makeup so that it kind of matched my contour a little bit. So I went ahead and did that for both eyes. And you guys, by the way, I am so sorry. Believe it or not, I've recorded this look about 4 times, and my kids still have not just put the bottom lip to the top lip and just shut up. They haven't done that. But anyway. So now I want to go in with the color Granberry, and I want to pop that into my crease line. I like to start off with dabbing any eyeshadow that I'm using. I like to to dab it into my skin and then go back in and blend. It kind of ensures that I am really packing the product and getting it in there and getting the best color output that I am supposed to be getting. So yeah, I just like to pat, 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 and then go in a windshield wiper motion. I like to go ahead and blend it out. Now, make sure that you guys are using the brushes to fit your eye shape. Don't be using these big old blending brushes that you see these other beauty gurus using, and just cater to your eye and your eye's needs. So I have a very small blending brush. Some people might use it just for their crease line. Me, it kind of fits my whole dang eye. So that's just what it is. Now, I did forget the name of this color here, but it is the cute little tan color right there at the top that I'm gonna go ahead and use to blend the cranberry color into my brow line, or it's not called a brow line. Well, you know, like up into my brow. So it just kind of like takes away any of the harsh lines, and it almost kind of gives it like a little nice little transition, kind of going from like a pink to the cranberry look, or the red cranberry color. So yeah, I really like it. This is probably one of my go-to colors here. I probably take it and use it with any powder that I use. So then I want to go back in with my base from P. Louise just to create my cut crease. You guys, a little bit goes a long way with this product. If you put a whole lot, you would, you would look crazy. So a little bit with any makeup product really goes a long way. And if you feel like you need more, slowly build upon it. But yeah, from what I used on here, I used literally just a little dab there, a little dab there. And then I got to blending. And I really got the best results when I did it that way. So trust me, y'all. Please believe me. Now going back in with that cranberry color, I am just tapping. I literally used a little bit of product and I am tapping or dabbing or whatever you want to call it on my my outer crease, just so that I can buff out any of those harsh lines. Then I'm gonna go back in with that tan color that I used to blend into my brow line, and I am putting that on my eyelid. I think it's a very pretty color. It's almost like a nude color, and I'm saying that with the quotations up on my hands too. A nude color, which ends up being very sexy and blending very well with the cranberries. So I like it. I really enjoyed how this whole look just, you know, came together. It's really doing its thing. Now to kind of like finish things up, I want to go in with my loose highlighter by Juvia's Place, and it's in the color Nerfertiti, yeah. That's what it's called. It is a very, very, very beautiful color. I loved how it just kind of blended with my skin. It didn't give me an overpowering highlight or anything like that. It gave me just enough that I like. And when you first start using loose powder, obviously it is a little hard to use, so a little bit again goes a long way with this product, or all products I should say. So let me just go ahead and generalize it. all products. So don't be putting a glob of all of this on your face. You'll really be looking like a unicorn. And not a cute unicorn, but you know, whatever. But yeah. So I did go ahead and do my eyeliner, pop my lashes on. I used a brown lip liner in the color Jessie and my Stila lip gloss, my lipstick. Very, very, very pretty. And I did go ahead and pop some mascara on underneath my falsies and on my bottom lashes. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, all of that stuff, please, you guys. I am trying to be more consistent with posting and making sure that I'm hitting you guys up. But again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thanks, guys.